Let me just improve it. Less persuasive. Okay. So right here, this is another option we have here, and we can also create this. We can create it in syntax. You just click here, and AI syntax it. You know what the syntax is, right? To give one email different options. See, AI has done the syntax very fast. Okay, so we create the sequence right here. Okay, so you add your lead source here. You can add any lead you want. Like this is, let's say you buy a package, and let's say you buy a business package. You're gonna find your leads like this. Okay, you're gonna find the leads right there and named. Okay, let's use this one. Booking. This is our booking agents. Insert, and the first sequence is your lead source. Second one is your email, your cold email. You could add anything you want. You could add a delay, but AI has already done everything for you. You know, AI has done. This is the follow-up email. I'm showing. AI did everything for you. See, I just want to follow up. This solutions could help your company if you're interested. He has done everything. He's even booked. He has even given them a link to book a meeting with you. You know, so it's really good. It's really good. And guess what? It gives you the spam score. See, urgency is 0, shade is 0, overpromise 0, money 0. You know, and perfect. You can test it. It has done the whole sequence for you. Couple of days automatically. You can continue the sequence, or you can add a new block. You could tell yourself a task to do. You can wait. You could do something else. If they click split to two separate flows, you could do whatever you want. You could end the sequence, or move the leads. If they do something, you move it to a new list or something to continue.
Money move from problem owner to problem solver, and you call them Yahoo boys. Not everybody does fraud online. As a matter of fact, the fraudsters don't even make a lot of money as compared to those who sell products. Nigerians run the industry. Nigerians run everything worldwide. Nigerians run the software industry. Nigerians run a lot. You know, Calendly is owned by a Nigerian. So many other big softwares are owned by Nigerians. And how do you think these guys made it so big? By email subscribers. And if you have email subscribers, how do you reach out to them without an email marketing system? Today, I give you the opportunity to have the lifetime version of my software for $250 only. A lot of people say I wasn't doing music for a while. Yeah, I wasn't doing music for a while because I was working on this. You know, because at the end of the day, the only way you can not kiss people's ass is by being able to do your sales by yourself. I learned this stuff. I learned the in and out. We paid a lot of money to get the software program tested, and now it's up and running. I like to call it the best email and cold marketing software in the world, with artificial intelligence and a calendar.